Assalamualaikum. Taj Maldives ijuthimaa'ee rakkaatulkama behey vuzaaraaaai miadhu soyumi kuri MOU aki Dhaulathuge belumuge dhashugaivaa kudinna vazeefaage furusathuthakaai the resort Taj exotica adhi Taj Dhaulathuge faraaiythakah ebbasevunu MOU warang ufakura miadhu MOU ga ministry ekku soikurumah adhi me warbodan ha barwalan eha resort takum wes ministry ekko masake kora.
Good morning. We are from Taj Exotica and then Taj Coral Reef Maldives. We are from Indian Hotels Company Limited, and we are having around 350 hotels in India and abroad. And today we are very happy to inform everyone that we have signed an MOU with the Ministry of Social and Family Development, and this is a part of our initiative fahikohdhinumuge. So wherein we take people from various for increasing their livelihoods. So we have taken one student from this particular organization, and then he is doing well. We have been actually giving opportunities like this for many people, and then want to inform all the resorts also to come forward and then help the ministry. Thank you so much.